Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing my Shopee haul. So these things have actually accumulated and I'm gonna share with you guys my experience with Shopee because it's my first time trying Shopee last year around December. So yeah, but before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it so you'll be notified if I upload new videos here and there. And let's get on to it. So I've never tried Shopee. It never really appealed to me. Not until like one of my friends tweeted that she was doing her Christmas shopping in Shopee. So that's the first time I downloaded it. I think 2 weeks before December, so it's around November, and I was just scrolling through it and I was like looking for gifts, and honestly talagang makakamura ka in Shopee. So yeah, but if ever you're planning to like buy during the holiday season, kung kaya anong season yan, basta it's a holiday or like a special holiday, I suggest you guys buy it like a month to even more than a month, kasi lalo nung holidays, oh my god, sobrang hectic. There's a lot of orders coming in. So yung mga ibang orders ko, which is my fault actually, late ko siyang na-order kasi pinag-iisipan ko pa. So hindi ko siya nabigay sa mga taong pagbibigyan ko, sa yung iba abroad and stuff like that. So that was my fault. So I had to like buy another gift for them. So nadoble yung gastos ko nun. But yeah, so I've had a few things from Shopee. I've only had like one bad experience with Shopee. The rest, it was, you know, it was a breeze to like work with Shopee. So yeah. So before we get into the haul, I hope you guys don't mind. I'll be sharing with you guys my experience and like my story with Shopee. The reason why I was like drawn to Shopee in the first place was because of the acrylic organizers. Like comparing it to other like shops, especially in Lazada, the ones in Shopee are definitely a lot cheaper. So yeah, those are like the first few things that I wanted. So I guess we can do the haul-ish here. Yeah, so the first thing I actually ordered was this one. It's this acrylic organizer that you see here, because like in Lazada usually this one is like 1,000 plus or maybe 900 plus. Yeah, usually around that range. I got this one I think for 700 or 800 something, so it's fairly cheap. And then I also saw these in 168 or 999, I'm not quite sure where I seen it. Around 1,000 plus na rin siya, so it's still cheaper in Shopee. So it looks like this. This is, I don't know if, should I say who the seller was? I guess I could say who the seller was because it's not only me who had this experience. So I'm just gonna open my Shopee app. This is from the seller called One Good Life General Merchandise. I'm just gonna put the seller here. So yeah, this is 800 pesos. And okay, so the reason why I got this, and dami actually nagbebenta nito Shopee, I got it from her because I like the way it was packaged. So I will insert the picture here kung gaano ka-secure yung packaging niya. And then I was so excited when I got it because I've always wanted a nice brush organizer. Kaso guys, pagdating sa akin, basag. Wala siyang, wala yung front nito. So, basag yung front nito. So, you know, I talked to the seller first because for me, I don't want to like complain right away without consulting with the seller first. I wanted to talk to her first. So, what she did was, it's my first time. So, like, it was my first time ordering from Shopee, so I'm kind of new to all of the things that you're supposed to do. So I was just talking to the seller. So lumagpas na yung Shopee guarantee. Yeah, lumagpas na siya dun sa Shopee guarantee. So mahirap like kunin sa seller yung pera. So it's, I mean, 800 pesos, guys. You know, I'm still like looking. I'm like fresh grad pa ako noon, and I had like a good paying job, but it's not the best paying job, so medyo fresh grad entry pa lang siya. So yung 800 beshi, medyo mabigat na yan sa akin. Yeah, sa akin, like ordering online, especially with acrylic organizer or something, anything with glass, it's caution na talaga na minsan talaga may marireceive ka na basag. So like it comes with ordering online. There's just some things that arrive to you na basag or may sira. I mean, that's part of ordering online. But yeah, and then I was talking to her, and I don't know, him, I don't know. Tapos it was pleasant because sabi niya, sige po ma'am, we'll send you a replacement na lang. So I was like, okay. So I did. So hindi na ako nag-customer service ng Shopee. Then she was telling me, and you know what, I'm just gonna read the exact words. I was telling her na basag. I sent her photos na basag yung ito sabi niya, if ever na lang pwede na lang meet up instead of sending it over para ma-secure. So she was planning a meetup, and then lagay na lang natin dito na pinalitan natin at sira na po yung item nung natanggap nyo para masikaso puro namin sa refund. So yeah, so she was asking to meet up Sunday, which, you know, to me, I was like, oh, thank you. Syempre, Sunday yun. Syempre, rest day for a lot of people yun. And you're gonna take your time to, like, meet up with me to replace it. So, ayun. After ng Sunday, guys, wala. As in, I tried to call them. As in, ayun, ang dami kong message, guys. Yan, guys. Yan. Yung green na yan, ako yan. And I messaged her, she never replied. So, that's when I went to the customer service and, to complain. And then, honestly, ang pangit ng customer service ng Shopee. As in, kinomplain ko siya and everything. Which, I'm not usually like that. Pero kasi, like, you know, okay lang sa akin. Sige, tanggap ko na basag. Okay. And I can, like, fix it. Actually, plano ko na lang may T-bond to if ever. But, like, for you to promise, like, na i-replace mo, iba na yun. Kung hindi mo naman kaya i-fulfill best, huwag ka na mag-promise, masakit! So, ayun, as you guys could see, maganda yung pagka-package, as in, front, back, top, bottom, secure siya. Pero guys, dumating siya sa akin, naka-bubble wrap naman yung box. But, this is the packaging. I kept the packaging. And, guys, ito lang yung, ito lang, besh. Yung taas at baba lang, best. Talagang mababasag yung harap niyan, guys. So, they changed the packaging. They're the ones who said na yun yung dating packaging nila. So, pinalitan nila yung pagka-package nila. Because I've seen in the comments, may comments din, na-receive niya. Actually, mas malala pa nga yung basag nun sa kanya. Kasi, as in, siguro ito yung basag. Ito yung part na to yung basag. Sa akin ito, at least lower. So, medyo natatakpan siya na aking isang jar sa vanity ko. Pero like, malala. And she said na, sana kung yung packaging siguro, kung yung dating packaging, siguro hindi nabasag yung product. And still, 800 pesos yun. So, ayun lang. Anyways, let's move on. As I said, may binili rin ako isang acrylic from the seller called Annahou. All of the like things that I bought, I will link down below, pati yung seller. So, ito yung isang organizer ko. Medyo magulo pa yung ano nito kasi dalawa yung in-order ko nito kasi pwede mo siyang ma-stack on top of each other. Dalawa yung in-order kong ganito. Kaso si ate, hindi man lang nagsabi na sold out na pala yung isang variant. So, nilagay na lang niya yung sukle sa isa sa mga isa sa drawer dito. Nilagay na lang yung sukle. Besh, walang sabi-sabi, walang ma'am, ganito. But anyways, maganda naman yung pagka-package ng acrylic. So, wala akong complain doon. Kaso, besh, sabihin mo naman kung out of stock, di sana iba yung order ko, diba? Lalo, like, Christmas yun. Buti hindi ko siya ireregalo. But, yeah, I'm planning still to order from her. Since maganda yung pagka-package niya. And, siya lang yung may acrylic organizers na gusto ko. This one is from, ito yung Bluetooth microphone. Kanino ka ba nabili ko? Ayun, alam mo, lilis ko na lang, nilalagay ko na lang dito. Magtagal tayo, guys. So, yeah, ito, naka-plastic lang siya, guys. I don't think this even came in a bubble wrap. Tapos, wala siyang kahon. Kaso, mura ko naman talaga siya nabili. Yung mga 300 something. Tapos, medyo matagal siyang dumating. Kasi nga, Christmas siya. So, nasa province ako noon. Nasa Baguio ako noon. So, hindi ko siya agad na-receive. But, yeah, I mean, it works fine. Ito yung itsura niya. Wala na siyang kahon. I wish it came with a box, though. So, ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Tapos, rose gold. Tapos, kung gusto mo mag-karaoke mag-isa, ito, perfect sa'yo. Karaoke pang loner. And, I don't know, it's fun for, like, road trips. Tapos, nandito yung charger, chananas niya. Tapos, may pamphlet, chananas jar. Tapos ano, ang ganda pagka-rose gold niya. Hindi tacky. I was scared for it to look tacky. Okay naman siya. It's not, hindi siya yung sobrang, like, hindi siya yung sobrang lakas na mic, pero hindi rin siya yung mahina. Yung tama lang. Hindi naman yung kumakanta ka, wala ka marinig. Hindi ganon. So, this one, I'm actually happy with the purchase. I just didn't like how it came to me kasi, you know, medj kulang-kulang. Walang box, ganon. So, next are more on skincare. This one is from snowpeachmall. Naalala ko yung username niya because very pleasant yung experience ko sa kanya. So, yeah, I'm gonna start off. Ito na yung mga makeup, guys. I got the Peripera Ink Cloud Velvet, which I'm gonna do a review on the ink velvet, the airy ink velvet, plus the cloud ink velvet comparison between the three. Kaya ako to binili. So, yeah. And then I also got 2 tints from Etude House. Ito, guys, gamit na gamit ko na to kasi I love this. This is the Dear Darling tint, and this one is in PK003. Sweet red bean something ata to. It's part of their winter 2017, fall winter 2017 collection. And then I also got the Dear Darling tint again, but the ice cream version. This one is in BR402, so I love that. Then I got a bunch of like masks from Innisfree. I got their Jeju Volcanic Color Clay masks, and yeah, this one is in Cica and Refining. So ito, itong dalawa. Then I also got 4 of the Capsule recipe masks. Ito dapat yung isa sa mga regalo ko na hindi umabot. But anyways, this is the Jeju and tea tree. Jeju and tea tree. But parang may mali. Jeju and tea tree. Joke. Bija. Bija, Biha, and tea tree. Kasi ang Innisfree galing Jeju. Ganun. Then isa, I got the rice mask. And then the volcanic mask. And I think yun lang yung binili ko kay Miss Snowpeachmall. Yung hotfindsmanila, actually, madami siyang like, you know, yung mga famous, yung mga hino-haul ng madaming YouTubers sa US. Doon, madami kang mahahanap doon. So, binili ko to. This one I still have to review. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion. This one is in Creamy Ivory. And then, this one is the Eco Tools Perfect Blender Duo, which ginamit ko na. Kinip ko lang yung packaging for the sake of this video. Ito yung Perfect Blender Duo. This is my current favorite sponges. So, ito yung mas maliit, tas ito yung mas malaki. Actually, they're not the miniature version of each other. They're actually 2 different sponges. Pero they blend my foundation both nicely. So, I really, really like these. They're super soft and they're so easy to clean. And just, I love them. I'm actually loving them more than the Real Techniques. This and that. She is probably my favorite seller. That's why I'm saving her last. Save the best for last. From This and That. Madami rin siyang selection, pero I feel like hotfindsmanila, mas madami silang selection. Pero like, communicating with her was a breeze. Tapos binigyan niya rin ako ng freebie kahit 3 items lang naman yung binili ko sa kanya. Ito, binigyan niya ako ng face mask. Hold on. So, ayun. So, I bought 3 of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters. Actually, dami nagbibenta nito kaso sa kanya lang ako basta yun, it's a pleasant speaking with her, as in sobrang basta madali siyang kausap. Tapos sinisend niya yung bago niya i-package or bago niya ipadala kung paano nakapackage yung iyong product. So, talagang make sure niya na if ever mangyari sa product mo, sinubukan nila na i-wrap ng mabuti yung product nyo. So, if ever something goes wrong sa transit na yon, so talagang pinapakita niya sa'yo na, hello, pinapak ko na maganda yung products mo. So, yeah, mine came in a box. This box. And then, naka-bubble wrap siya. Basta naka-bubble wrap siya ng bongga. So, yeah, these are the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters. I got 2 of the Precious Petals one. Ano siya, yung parang rose gold. Super pretty nito. I actually have it on my cheeks. It's like a rose gold highlight. Kita nyo ba yan? Oh, bongga. So I got that. Then I also got Blossom Glow, which is like the pinkish white. So, ito, mas light siya. Yan, si Blossom Glow. Precious Petals Blossom Glow. So, yun yung kinuha ko sa kanya. She gave me a free mask. This is from Farmstay. It's a milk mask. Tapos guys, yung products niya naka-pack sa isang eco bag. Eco bag. So very, you know, environmental friendly except sa mga ibang packaging. Pero, you know, you get a free eco bag. So, yeah. So, yeah, hope you guys like my Shopee haul / experience. If ever nadaldalan kayo sa simula, first time ko lang naman talaga mag-story tell or like experience sa isang shopping app. Gusto ko lang talaga i-share sa inyo guys. So, yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it so you'll be notified if I upload new videos here and there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!